Cardano value equivalent to $0.2978 a coin. The present reach: $0.2949, $0.3048. The earlier day close: $0.3031. The change was 0.0053, 1.75%. Converse rate: United States dollars to ADA. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 ADA to United States dollars forecasts for November 2023. In the first place, cost at $0.30. Greatest cost 41 cents, least cost 29 cents. The normal for the month 34 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 36 cents, change for November 20.0%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset, cost at $0.36. Most extreme cost 39 cents, least cost 33 cents. The normal for the month 36 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 36 cents, change for December 0.0%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.36. Greatest cost 36 cents, least cost 28 cents. The normal for the month 33 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 30 cents, change for January 16.7%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost, cost at $0.30. Greatest cost 34 cents, least cost 30 cents. The normal for the month 32 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 32 cents, change for February 6.7%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. Initially cost at $0.32. Most extreme cost 32 cents, least cost 25 cents. The normal for the month 29 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 27 cents, change for spring 15.6%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.27. Greatest cost 28 cents, least cost 24 cents. The normal for the month 26 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 26 cents, change for April 3.7%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. To start with, cost at $0.26. Greatest cost 28 cents, least cost 24 cents. The normal for the month 26 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 26 cents, change for May 0.0%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at $0.26. Greatest cost 32 cents, least cost 26 cents. The normal for the month 29 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 30 cents, change for June 15.4%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.30. Most extreme cost 30 cents, least cost 25 cents. The normal for the month 28 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 27 cents, change for July 10.0%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $0.27. Most extreme cost 33 cents, least cost 27 cents. The normal for the month 30 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 31 cents, change for August 14.8%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. First and foremost, cost at $0.31. Greatest cost 31 cents, least cost 24 cents. The normal for the month 28 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 26 cents, change for September 16.1%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.26. Greatest cost 26 cents, least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 24 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 22 cents, change for October 15.4%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2025. To start with, cost at $0.07. Greatest cost 7 cents, least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 6 cents, change for December 14.3%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Before all else, cost at $0.06. Most extreme cost 7 cents, least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7 cents, change for January 16.7%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at $0.07. Most extreme cost 7 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7 cents, change for February 0.0%. AD80 United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. Before all else cost at $0.07. Most extreme cost 7 cents, least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 6 cents, change for spring 14.3%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2026. At the outset cost at $0.06. Most extreme cost 7 cents, least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 7 cents, change for April 16.7%. AD80 United States dollars expectations for May 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.07. Greatest cost 9 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 8 cents, change for May 14.3%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2026. At the outset cost at $0.08. Most extreme cost 8 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7 cents, change for June 12.5%. AD80 United States dollars expectations for July 2026. Before all else cost at $0.07. Most extreme cost 9 cents, least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 8 cents, change for July 14.3%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2026. In the first place cost at $0.08. Greatest cost 10 cents, least cost 8 cents. The normal for the month 9 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 9 cents, change for August 12.5%. AD80 United States dollars expectations for September 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.09. Greatest cost 11 cents, least cost 9 cents. The normal for the month 10 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 10 cents, change for September 11.1%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2026. Before all else cost at $0.10. Most extreme cost 13 cents, least cost 10 cents. The normal for the month 11 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 12 cents, change for October 20.0%. AD80 United States dollars expectations for November 2026. Initially cost at $0.12.